Welcome to Cooking in the Grand Design. We thought, yes, you can cook in a regular kitchen, but how easy is it to cook chocolate chip cookies in the Grand Design kitchen? We have Betty Crocker ready in 3 easy steps because we didn't want to waste good cookie dough if it doesn't turn out right. So let's see if it turns out right in the small oven that comes with the Grand Design. And with my assistants, Abigail, Thomas, and Eliza.
So let's start by putting our cookie mix into our oven. Okay, next let's add our egg and our softened butter. Now let's mix it. Now we're going to scoop our dough into our pan. Alright, let's put it in the oven.
Eat.
This is a little crunchy, but the next batch we need to do less crunchy.
Whenever you cook it, you need to make sure to preheat the oven.
I love everything.